Welcome to another episode of Crypto Miner, guys. Today we are going to be analyzing what is happening regarding the Bitcoin price, regarding the Ethereum price, and of course the stress of the people to where we are heading next. We are going to be also analyzing regarding to what is happening with the DXY and of course the new fractals that we have in the charts right now. Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications so you get this very nice fresh content we are sharing every time with you. Let's go to find out what we have right there. Directly to the BLX chart, what we are pointing now, guys, is actually something unbelievable. I have been also mentioning many times what is happening right here with the measurement price targets coming in the levels where we have been pointing from the scratch. So what we have been watching as well is those three lines, the vertical lines that I was pointing in the charts, and those are giving a significant value over to what is happening in every case. Now, as far as you can see, we will start from the stochastic RSI that after we have the breakout of these falling trend lines that we see right here, we have the first beginning of what is going to happen in the upcoming months, and of course a bullish move that we see happening in most of the cases. So as far as you can see, also the red lines are pointing to a significant move that is coming as well after we break the levels of the falling channels, the falling trend line, the falling channels that we have right here. And as far as you can see, in every move we are pointing to the same direction. So now also the RSI in the downside over here in the level 36.8, a significant level as well, that can also reverse and give us further price action towards the upper side. Let's zoom in to see what is happening. As far as we have this falling trend line right here, my plan is always here, nothing have changed, and what we also would like to show is that we could have an insane thing happening at this point. So as far as you can see also in the weekly chart, what I expect for many reasons is that we could most likely see a breakout and a fake out on the weekly chart, and this could be an insane opportunity for those that don't believe in the bull scenario that could come at this point. So what we should see for sure is for this to break out and come reverse over the 18,188, and this is the significant level that we would like to see, and see a further retrace towards the upper side. So that's what I'm pointing at right now, because this looks very, very, very tricky and most likely could be a confirmation in the weekly chart. So by the end of this week, by the end of Sunday 000 UTC time and beginning of Monday, we would like to see coming and closing over the 18,200 level that I was pointing at, and see some further price action towards the upper side with a very nice move to the upside. Let's go to the BTC chart, guys. This is incredible. I have been pointing also this thing, and I was saying many weeks ago, you see right here, I'm gonna also take you to my Twitter account. As far as you can see, I'm saying 2nd of October, a gift to the humanity. This is what I would like to show you guys. This is the chart that I was drawing back at 2nd of October, and I was actually showing the move. You see right here, the price is over to the approximately 22,000, 21,900, the level A, as far as you can see, and then I'm pointing to the 16,500 to 15,500 right here. You can see, guys, what is happening. This is the plan. We came 21,300 and back to the 16,000 right here. This was unbelievable. I mean, like, I'm still speechless for one more time, and this is where technical analysis is actually working. What we are pointing in these levels right now is, of course, the bullish divergences that they come in many aspects on the 8-hour chart, and of course the 6-hour chart right here. You can see, guys, that we could easily have another leg towards the upper side, but I do not consider that this is going to happen right now. we'll have many days until Sunday, so we see a pump over the 18,000 that I was also speaking, the 18,200 approximately level for the Bitcoin price. And yes, this is what I'm watching right now. So let's go also a little bit to check the DXY. Now, I have been analyzing, and as far as you can see, back in my Twitter account right here, you can also figure out that I was speaking at the 2nd of September back in here, that what I'm checking is that in 10 days ago, I was pointing to what is happening today. The DXY is breaking to the upside of the X point. So this is the X point right here, where the two resistance are meeting. Most likely a fake out to the approximately 111 to 112 and a retrace inside the rising wedge. You see the rising wedge happening. This is what we have. Guess what? So for one more time, things are going in the DXY in the right direction. Fake out move, as I mentioned, it came to the 114. However, I pointed the 112. It went a little bit higher and then retraced. You never know where the pump is going. So of course 114 and then the retrace back to this rising wedge is just so funny. That is happening exactly what we have been predicting, what we have been saying, like market wizards we are. And I'm just joking. So yeah, let's go right here. The Ethereum price right now, what is happening is that this is holding much better what the Bitcoin is actually doing. So yeah, I was showing, you can go back and I'm gonna also put it as a video in the end of this video. You can just go and tap right there for the Ethereum price, what I have been pointing in many ways. Now, what we have is, of course, the retrace back of this resistance line, and of course coming almost to touch the 1040 right here. This finally didn't happen. What we could see as well happening is of course that this resistance line could pull a little bit the price to the approximately 934. Now, if this is going to happen, of course the Bitcoin price back to here could dump a little bit further and of course reach the approximately 13.3, 13.4. This is the next level to watch for the Bitcoin price. But also I would like to say that it's much more difficult for the Ethereum price dumping under the 900s right now. Yes, this could be of course a case, but in general the fractals are pointing to the right direction. And what we are also watching here on the weekly chart is that we have bullish divergence in the momentum waves, but we will also like to see the money flow curving, something that we don't really have right now. So yeah, we could see further prices moving either sideways until this start retracing and reversing to the upside, or another dump is coming most likely to visit the 900s. And if you want to know a level, then the 750 is the next what I'm pointing in case this breaks towards the downside. However, I don't believe that something like this is going to happen very soon. Most likely the fractals, I think that they will point to the upside, and we will have some kind of visiting to the 1.6. I don't think this is going to delay, and this is what I'm keeping now as next price target for the Ethereum price. I hope you like the video, the information that we gave today, and of course see you in the next one of Crypto Minder. Bye bye.